Welcome to the future of Maranello's performance engineering. Introducing the Ferrari 296 Speciale and the open-top 296 Speciale A, two new masterpieces that take the V6 hybrid revolution to the next level. Sharper, lighter, and louder. These are the most thrilling Ferraris of the modern era. At their core lies Ferrari's 120-degree 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, now tuned to produce 700 horsepower. Paired with an electric motor delivering an additional 180 horsepower, the combined output is an astonishing 880 horsepower. That means 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.8 seconds, and a top speed exceeding 330 kilometers per hour. This is Ferrari's most powerful V6 road car ever, and it's a plug-in hybrid. The 296 Special is 60 kilograms lighter than the 296 GTB, thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber and titanium. Ride height has been lowered, roll stiffness improved, and braking precision enhanced by Ferrari's latest ABS Evo system. The re-engineered suspension and sharper chassis tuning make this car not only fast in a straight line, but surgically precise in corners. Aerodynamics play a critical role, with a 20% increase in downforce compared to the standard 296, reaching 435 kilograms at 250 kilometers per hour. Revised front aero, vertical rear fins, and a dynamic rear spoiler all work together to keep the car planted, agile, and stable even at extreme speeds. Design-wise, the 296 Speciale has a bolder, more aggressive presence. Carbon fiber accents, a reworked rear diffuser, and racing-inspired styling make it unmistakable. Inside, the cabin strips away distractions in favor of pure driving focus. Carbon fiber door panels, Alcantara trim, and a minimalistic digital cockpit immerse the driver in the performance experience. The 296 Speciale A delivers that same intensity with the sky above you. Its retractable hardtop opens in just 14 seconds and works at speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour. Weighing in at 1,490 kilograms dry, it adds just 80 kilos over the Coupé, but unleashes an entirely new sensory experience. The sound of that V6, unfiltered and alive, turns every drive into an event. In Italy, pricing starts at €407,000 for the Coupé and €462,000 for the open-top Speciale A. Deliveries begin in early 2026 for the 296 Speciale, followed shortly after by the A. While not limited editions, Ferrari has confirmed that both models will have a shortened production run to maintain exclusivity. Whether you choose the hardtop precision of the 296 Speciale or the wind-in-your-hair exhilaration of the 296 Speciale A, you're driving the pinnacle of Ferrari's hybrid evolution. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Gear Up today for more exclusive automotive content. See you on the road.